And today, we are excited to officially announce the launch of yet another innovative products. The new open-ear headset, Xperia Ear Duo, right here. Thank you. Excuse me that I don't have the cleanest ear in the world. Anyway, the Xperia Ear Duo lets you enjoy your favorite music while you're simultaneously hearing the surrounding sound as well as the conversations. In addition, it intelligently recognizes the time, location, and activities and offer personal information throughout the day. You can enjoy this unique dual listening experiences up to 4 hours on the go, and it also comes with very smart charging cases. The Xperia Ear Duo will come in 2 colors, and shipment will start globally next month, and the pre-orders is starting today with Amazon in the US. While Sony's heritage has been rooted in technology and engineering, our portfolio have enhanced to the field of entertainment from music, movie, game and network services, and more. With this unique background, as well as the advanced technologies, your Xperia device is not simply a smartphone. I would call it is the ultimate entertainment device. Today, we are excited to introduce 2 new entertainment devices from a flagship family packed with the latest Sony technologies, providing an immersive entertainment experiences that you're going to love. They are XZ2 Premium, excuse me. I'm too excited. And Xperia XZ2 Compact. Now, the XZ2 features a stunning extended 5.7-inch display with HDR. And Xperia XZ2 Compact is the world's smallest or most compact smartphone with a 5-inch display, also with an HDR. We want to provide you an immersive viewing experience with our high dynamic range display. And also, you can upscale your content to through an X-Reality processor and upscale it to a near HDR quality and enjoy it with a surround sound with industry-leading front-facing stereo speakers. Your experience will further expand with our new and unique dynamic vibration system that enables you to feel what you are watching. By analyzing the audio data, our dynamic vibration system intelligently turns the audio signal into a vibration so that you can enjoy the excitement, whether it's streaming movies or watching the music videos or playing games. We are bringing the HDR technology to the palm of your hand with our Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact. We are pushing our technology boundaries even further with our advanced motion eye camera system, taking the movie recording to the extreme. Both models comes with the world's first 4K HDR movie recording in the smartphone. And I'm sure I don't need to remind you about our incredible super slow motion recording at 960 frames per second, which we already introduced last year. And now we are taking the quality to the next level by offering full HD capability. Also, with our 3D creator, you can now bring your selfie itself to life in 3D. And post your interactive 3D selfie directly on your Facebook timeline. And finally, it's just important to mention the other essentials that help optimize the entertainment experiences, including the cutting-edge, latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform with up to 1.2 gigabit per second high-speed connectivity, also a best-in-class battery life, and wireless charging. Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact will start shipping globally next month. We are pushing the boundaries even further with the new products for movie recording, viewing, and music listening, offering you an entertainment to the extreme. We are now excited to give you a sneak preview of our newest innovative technologies. Our new camera technology has the power to reveal the unseen, including the images in extreme dark conditions. With a newly developed dual camera and Sony's fusion image signal sensor for real-time processing, you'll be able to capture images in extreme dark conditions. This ultimate camera technology achieves ultra-high sensitivity of unprecedented ISO 12800 for video and 51200 for photos, currently only possible with interchangeable lens cameras.